Buenos dias. So I'm going to go drain the green and put them into the bag to sterilize using the autoclave. So this is what it looks like. Here we go, here we go, here we go. The lighter ones are at the bottom. So I'm going to just pour the water off. Hopefully it's not a mess. And then I have these bags. They're breathable. They have a filter on them. I'll put them in this. So I couldn't find a strainer or large enough filter, so I'm going to freehand pour it. Oh my god, hopefully this doesn't turn out to be a disaster. For the most part, the wheat, and the millet, they're not floating around. It's just the wood chip. It doesn't smell terrible. I'm losing some of the smaller green, but I think that's fine. I don't think I want all of it, of the water out, but a good amount. Yeah, I think that's good. I think this is good enough. You have to clean this up. Not too bad. Okay, I'm going to go put them into the autoclavable bags. This part might become messy. Hopefully not. But these are the bags. See? Ooh. And then you have this breathable filter. I might end up using 2 bags. Let me do that. Oh, I don't have a lot left. If I had a scoop. Will it fit so I can freehand throw it? Okay, yeah. Oh, that was a workout. Okay. I won't get all of it in, but I'll try to get as much. And because I don't want any contamination, that is why I'm going to sterilize it. Again, people doing it at home, they likely will put it in a pressure cooker. I don't know if they sell a mini autoclave, but the autoclave is just a giant pressure cooker. I don't have to release the steam and all of that. It does everything by itself. All right, I created a mess, but nothing that I can't use a paper towel and some ethanol, the standard decontamination solution won't take care of. So I'm just going to fold it and try to get enough air out of it, because if there's too much air in it, it will likely explode in the autoclave, and we don't want that. So I'm just gonna, well, folks at home won't have autoclave tape and the legs, but I'm going to put a piece of autoclave tape here. And as you can see, you probably know this by now if you've been around a long time. Oh, it's not focusing. Can't really see. Can you? So the lines on it, they're white, and once the run is done, once the autoclave cycle has finished, or the sterilization cycle has finished, they will change, the lines should change to I think in this case black. Get this out of the way, and then we'll start my experiment. Uh-oh. You're 6, 2, 3. Okay, hopefully this is good enough and it doesn't explode. Alright, let's go autoclave it. To the autoclave we go. And again, if you've been here, you know this room. This is the autoclave. Oh, so I'm just going to put my bag in an autoclave bin. Open this. And close it. Some autoclaves, the newer ones, they have a foot stand that you can press to open and close it down there. I want it on a solid cycle. Yeah. So I select cycle. It's the first one. I think it's enter OK or OK enter. Did it change? Yes, it did. Close door. It will do its thing. Test it. Seal the door, blah blah blah. Do a bunch of things. And then it says not seal. Oh, I'll have to do it over again. I hate when this happens. Oh, maybe. Okay. Close door. Ignore the alarm. Clear alarm. Will it work? Oh. Is it going to do it? What time is it? I guess I have to wait 2 more minutes. Okay. Clear alarm. Will come. I'll just start it. I'm going to go do something else.